How to delete your PayPal account from eBay. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, doing this method will not go ahead and delete or remove your PayPal account. It will go ahead and remove it or unlink it through your eBay by the payment method. Now, once inside the website right here, all you have to do is to navigate through my eBay. You can see that right beside the notification bell. Now, once inside eBay, just go ahead and click on account right here, and inside the account click on payments. Now, once inside payment, you can then go ahead and see all of your payment methods inside this page. You can just go ahead and click on the X button right beside the specific PayPal method and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.